as with everything, it's come down to the wire. We're just having the car wrapped. I've got some of the work finished off, so it's got core packs, plugs, everything's back together as it should be roughly. So we're just going to try and start it in a bit and see how that goes. Alright, we'll try and crank her over, see if she actually starts. Release the AccuSump first, get rid of some of the oil pressure. Get some oil into the car. Well, I've got it idling. It idles okay, if not a little rough, but until we can get it out on the track, I'm certainly not going to start tuning it here. And obviously we're leaving in a couple of hours, so yeah, all good fun. But the wrap looks pretty cool, if there's any positive points for the day. It's 4:15. I'm just waiting for Smithy to arrive now. Hopefully it shouldn't be too long, and I'm going to start to get everything ready and packed up. Just got the car all set up and running. We've just driven it up and down the road once, and I've taken a data log. Unfortunately, the data log decided to pause right where we wanted it. So there's a big gap between 3000 RPM and then 5000, but nonetheless. So we're going to go out and do a few runs, see how it looks. Hopefully dial in some of the fueling. I've got the idle all fairly stable now. Everything else seems pretty good, so we're going to do a few runs like I said, and we'll just try and dial in some of the fueling and stuff. To be fair, it wasn't bad. He's doing that. Oh, that's much better. Obviously, I know I'm looking at a laptop, but
yeah, when you was going the opposite way out that way, and you lit it up, it squatted down. You can see it all fucking like jerking about all over the place.
Yeah, fucking, it does feel quick, gotta say. Fucking hell, I ain't getting thrown around like a motherfucker. Just... Whoa, my neck! Fuck, honestly! I feel like a fucking ragdoll. Just pulling the plugs to make sure she's running alright. It's running at 97% duty cycle, so it's quite near the limit. Changed the anti-roll bar settings, so we were on fully soft and now we've gone to fully hard, see if it makes a difference. You've still got quite a lot of grip and not enough power even with the cam. Not that that cam's actually been tuned properly, as we've just done the fueling and skidding. So yeah, this should dial out a bit of that grip, make it a little bit stiffer so we can hopefully position the car a little bit better. So you can't see very well, but see 13 AFR, 12 AFR, and we're just over the 13 AFR section. So what is it there? It is 13.3 and 12.9. We were looking at the plugs and there seems to be a darker plug, as I said before, and that's basically there again. So that could be that one cylinder that's causing that overfueling. I'm basically going to pull each log every time he goes out and save them separately and then go over them a bit later, but we are running up the injectors right up to 97% duty cycle. So once we get those hollies in and actually get it tuned a little bit better, we're definitely going to have to get it on the dyno before we go to Teeside. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, subscribe, hit that bell and get the notifications. You can also check us out on Facebook, the link's going to be in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.